Here I have DOOGEE S95 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to enable night mode on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open settings, then go to the display section, and here you can find night light feature. You can switch it here, you can change its intensity, and you can also set up a schedule for it based on your... You can set it from sunset to sunrise, or you can just set up your custom time for this schedule. And you can also switch night mode here at the upper bar. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.